How to share Duolingo Family Plan. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. Firstly, tap open your Duolingo application. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are in here, if you have got yourself a Duolingo Family Plan, you'll be able to share it with the family easily. All you have to do is tap on the super icon, that is your crown symbol. This will take you to the super dashboard. In the super dashboard, you will see the option of add members or manage members. Just tap on the option of add members bubble. You can at least add up to 5 members in your family plan of Duolingo. So just tap on add member every time up to you reach 5 members in your Duolingo family plan. Once you have added it, you will get the option of sending invite via WhatsApp, text message, or more option. You can just send this invite link to the recipient after confirming and sending the invite. All they have to do is accept your invite via the medium you decided to share with your family. And just like that, you'll be able to add your family in your Duolingo family plan. That wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.